Fix 1. Enable automatic backup on WhatsApp. Check if the backup feature is enabled in WhatsApp. If automatic backup is not turned on, backup records may be missing. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Settings Chats Chat Backup. Step 3. Check if auto backup is set to daily, weekly, or monthly. If it's not set, create a backup manually. Fix 2. Verify your Google account. WhatsApp automatically links to the Google Drive account when restoring a backup. If you are using the wrong Google account, the backup file will not be found. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account to ensure successful backup retrieval. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings Chats Chat Backup. Step 2. Check if the currently linked Google account is the same as the one used to create the backup. Step 3. If the accounts do not match, log out of WhatsApp, switch to the correct Google account, and then try again. Fix 3. Check Google Play. Google Play Services is essential for the proper functioning of many apps on Android devices, including WhatsApp Backup. If you're unable to find a WhatsApp backup, make sure Google Play Services is installed. Fix 4. Restore WhatsApp from the local backup. If you can't find your WhatsApp backup on Google Drive, you can try restoring it from a local backup instead. This process is quick and simple, but keep in mind that the backup must already be stored on your device. Step 1. Open the File Manager and navigate to SCARred WhatsApp databases or internal storage or WhatsApp. Step 2. Find your WhatsApp backup files and rename them if necessary. Step 3. Reinstall WhatsApp to restore the backup. Fix 5. Contact WhatsApp support. If none of the previous solutions resolve the no WhatsApp backup found issue, it's time to reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. Be prepared to provide your phone number and email address, along with a detailed description of the problem.